Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to backup chat history in Telegram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Telegram account and then head over to the three lines icon and go to the settings option right there. Once you're there, just go to privacy and security or data and storage. And here you will see there are several options, and into which there is a section named automatic media download. It means the Telegram will just automatically download the media of your Telegram's chats or all over your history with it. And all you need to do is just make it to high. Once you make it to high and go to the mobile data, once you do it, then go to the when connected to Wi-Fi option and make it to high too. Once both of them are made high, and make the roaming on high too. Once you do it, Telegram will automatically just back up the things of your Telegram account. And yeah, all you needed to do is just to make the data usage high. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.